Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. So today we're going to do a dance tutorial on how to do the WAP versus Anaconda, a remix by Ada Music. And a big thanks to Gwyneth for creating this awesome dance. If you don't know who she is, go check out her stuff. I'll post her name somewhere here. And to make it as easy as possible for you guys, I'm gonna break it into mini sections where I go through the steps, and then at the end we're gonna do a full dance run through, and then we're gonna practice. Okay, the first section you're about to learn goes like this. Pull, pull, slide, hey. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Now, let me break it down for you. First thing you want to do, put your arms here to your left, and as if you're holding a rope, you want to go, it's stuck, and then you want to try again, and then you go, whoa. Alright, so you go, stuck, whoa. Now, from here, the arms are back here, you want to go back to the left again, whoop. Now you want to go up. Now you want to go back, and then you want to bring it down, and then back to the left, all right? So it's this squarish box here, boom. So starting left, up, back, down, left. Let's just try that, just the box. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go whoop, 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 whoop. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go left, up, back, down, left. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go left, up, back, down, left. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go left, up, back, down, left. And then at the end, you want to do like a slide. So either if your feet are gathered here, you can take a step with your left to your left, and then you want to, kind of lean back as if someone is pulling your body here. Whoa! And then you want to gather, sliding with your right. All right. So let me just show you again. We just did this box thing here. Here you want to take a small step with your left, and you want to lean back and go way step. All right, one last time. From here, stop, here we go, slide in. All right, now let's try from the tip to top. So we want to go stuck, pull, left, up, back, down, left, slide in. Now, if you want to do it like Charlie, you can do this with your arms when you do the slide, all right? So basically, I'm just bringing up my arms from in here. I want to push them out. So I go, hey. All right, time to practice from the tip to top. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go stuck, pull, left, up, back, down, left, and slide in. All right, let's try that one last time before we move on. We're gonna do it a bit faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go stuck, pull, left, up, back, down, left, slide in. All right, the next part looks like this. So right after slide, whoop, you wanna go way and way, hop, hop, hey. Now let me break it down for you. So right after the slide, you want to kind of bend your knees a bit before you go way, hey. Let me just show you to the front here. So you just slide here. You want to bend your knees slightly, and then you want to go here and yeah. So I'm bringing in my knees, taking my hip up here to the side. This is my right side, and then back down. All right. My right arm goes around here. All right. So I go boom and let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go boom. And so remember, we're doing that to the side here. So right after the slide, we go boom. And now from here, you just want to turn to the front again. Whoop. And then you want to go right back and left back. And this is right motorcycle. All right. And your legs are doing boom, boom. Yes, and knees go inwards, inwards. It's right, left. All right. And at the same time, you want to go right arm, left arm. So let's just try that. So right after the slide, we want to go boom, and here, boom, boom. All right, it goes pretty fast, so you just need to do it right after. So again, from here, we're going to do boom and 5, 6, 7, 8. We go boom and boom, boom. All right, let's do the last part as well. It's pretty easy. What you do is you just say push down, and then you want to go place your hands like that. All right, so boom, boom, here. All right, at the same time, you want to go up, up, down. Let's try that. Just this part here. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go up, up, down. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We go up, up, down. Last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go up, up, down. All right, guys, let's practice this whole mini section 2 thing here. So right after the slide, you want to go boom and A, down. All right, let's practice. We're gonna start slow. 5. Right after the slide. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go boom. Here, step. Hey, up, up, down. Let's try that again a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go boom, A step, A, up, up, down. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go round, A step, A, up, up, down. All right, guys. I feel like we need to practice from the tip to the top. Yeah, so that we don't forget the first few moves. So from the tip to the top, let me just recap here. From the tip to the top, it's stuck, pull, left, up, back, down, left, slide, here, now, round, A, step, A, down. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go, stuck, pull, left, up, back, down, left, slide, step, and around, here, step, A, push, down. All right, let's try that again a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go, stop, pull, left, up, back, down, left, slide, step, round, here, step, back, A, push, down. All right, moving on to mini section 3. So right after WAP, you want to go right arm fist, left fist, right again. And then from here, you just want to push yourself up on your toes and then back down. Yeah, let's just try that. We're going to go whoop, 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 push up, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, right, push up, down. Yeah, notice how I'm bringing my arms slightly down and up to increase the effect. All right, so whoop, 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 whoop. Now from here, let's just do the last part here. You want to go cross out and then out. Cross in, out. All right, so right, left, right, push up, down, and no. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, right, push up, down, and no. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, right, push up, down, and no. Okay, guys, I think we should do it from the tip to the top again. Remember, the more you practice, the easier it's gonna be for you to remember the full thing at the end. All right, so let me just quickly do a recap here. We go stuck, pull back, left, up, back, down, left. We go slide, and around. Here, step back. We go whoop, A, push, down. New part, go right, left, right, push up, down, and no. All right, guys, let's just try. We're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. We go stuck, pull, left, up, back, down, left, slide, stop. We go round and step, boom, boom, up, down. New part, right, left, right, up, down, and no. Okay, guys, just one last time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go stop, pull, left, up, back, down, left, slide, stop. We go round And step, whoop, 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 down, right, left, right, push up, down, and no.